Guys, to ease our students' JEE preparation, we divided the question in 6 steps so that every ICADian can try steps he or she is capable of. That made our job to give justice to all our students very easy. However, when our team searched for foundation books and Olympiad books at school level, we realized that there is no such classification. Also, the number of practice questions was very less. Students didn't have anything standardized that is aligned with future competitive exams. We also sensed that there is need to give at least 5 repeat questions for every difficult question, so the student can strengthen their weak concepts immediately. We then faced a question. What if we give video by eminent faculty for every doubt by hint methodology there itself? Humor intervention is very costly, and we wanted our app to be affordable for all. Technology helped, and in the process around 2 lakh questions, 16,000 explanatory videos and 600 short video lecture sessions were created. Guys, eGaneet was born and is now the topmost app of India to provide one-stop solution for school exams, Olympiad exams, and to provide strong foundation for JEE as well. Guys, enjoy the journey of mathematics with ICAD eGaneet.